Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, where I share tips and tricks on how to start and grow your own business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a winning business plan that will impress investors and customers alike. A business plan is a document that describes your business idea, your goals, your strategies, your market analysis, your financial projections, and more. It's basically a roadmap for your success. The business plan admits the entrepreneur to the investment process. Without a plan furnished in advance, many investor groups won't even grant an interview. And the plan must be outstanding if it is to win investment funds. Too many entrepreneurs, though, continue to believe that if they build a better mousetrap, the world will beat a path to their door. A good mousetrap is important, but it's only part of meeting the challenge. Also important is satisfying the needs of marketers and investors. Marketers want to see evidence of customer interest and a viable market. Investors want to know when they can cash out and how good the financial projections are. A comprehensive, carefully thought-out business plan is essential to the success of entrepreneurs and corporate managers. Whether you are starting up a new business, seeking additional capital for existing product lines, or proposing a new activity in a corporate division, you will never face a more challenging writing assignment than the preparation of a business plan. Only a well-conceived and well-packaged plan can win the necessary investment and support for your idea. It must describe the company or proposed project accurately and attractively. Even though its subject is a moving target, the plan must detail the company's or the project's present status, current needs, and expected future. You must present and justify ongoing and changing resource requirements, marketing decisions, financial projections, production demands, and personnel needs in logical and convincing fashion. Because they struggle so hard to assemble, organize, describe, and document so much, it is not surprising that managers sometimes overlook the fundamentals. Too many business plans are written solely from the viewpoint of the third constituency, the producer. They describe the underlying technology or creativity of the proposed product or service in glowing terms and at great length. They neglect the constituencies that give the venture its financial viability, the market and the investor. But how do you write one that stands out from the crowd? Well, here are some steps you can follow to create a killer business plan. Step 1. Start with an executive summary. This is a brief overview of your business plan that summarizes the main points and highlights the most important information. It should be concise, clear, and catchy. You want to grab the reader's attention and make them want to read more. Think of it as your elevator pitch. Step 2. Describe your business idea. This is where you explain what your business is, what problem it solves, what value it provides, and what makes it unique. You should also include your vision statement, mission statement, and core values. These are the guiding principles that define your purpose and direction. Step 3. Describe your products and services. In this section, go into detail about the products or services you offer or plan to offer. You should include the following: an explanation of how your product or service works, the pricing model for your product or service, the typical customers you serve, your supply chain and order fulfillment strategy, your sales strategy, your distribution strategy. You can also discuss current or pending trademarks and patents associated with your product or service. Step 4. Conduct a market analysis. This is where you research your industry, your competitors, your customers, and your opportunities. You should identify the size and growth potential of your market, the trends and challenges that affect it, the strengths and weaknesses of your competitors, the needs and preferences of your customers, and the gaps and niches that you can fill. Step 5. Outline your marketing plan. This is where you describe how you will promote and sell your products or services to your target market. You should include your marketing objectives, strategies, tactics, channels, budget, and metrics. You should also define your unique selling proposition, USP, which is what sets you apart from your competitors and why customers should choose you. Step 6. Detail your operational plan. This is where you explain how you will run your business on a day-to-day basis. You should include your organizational structure, roles and responsibilities, key processes and procedures, equipment and technology, suppliers and partners, legal and regulatory requirements, and quality control measures. Step 7. Present your financial plan. This is where you project your income and expenses for the next 3 to 5 years. You should include your income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, break-even analysis, and funding requirements. You should also provide realistic assumptions and scenarios that support your numbers. Step 8. State your business goals. The third part of a business plan is an objective statement. This section spells out exactly what you'd like to accomplish, both in the near term and over the long term. If you're looking for a business loan or outside investment, you can use this section to explain why you have a clear need for the funds, how the financing will help your business grow, and how you plan to achieve your growth targets. The key is to provide a clear explanation of the opportunity presented and how the loan or investment will grow your company. For example, if your business is launching a second product line, you might explain how the loan will help your company launch the new product and how much you think sales will increase over the next 3 years as a result. Step 9. Finish with an appendix. This is where you attach any additional documents or information that support your business plan. For example, you can include resumes of key team members, product samples or prototypes, customer testimonials or feedback, market research data or reports, licenses or permits, etc. Common mistakes when writing a business plan. Other articles on business plans would never tell you what we're about to tell you. Your business plan can fail. The last thing you want is for time and effort to go down the drain. Avoid these common mistakes. Bad business idea. Not every idea is going to win. Sometimes your idea may be too risky and you won't be able to get funding for it. Other times it's too expensive or there's no market. Aim for small business ideas that require little money and bypass traditional startup costs. No exit strategy. Investors reading your business plan want to know one thing: will your venture make them money? If you don't show an exit strategy or a plan for them to leave the business with maximum profits, you'll have little luck finding capital. Unbalanced teams. A great product is the cost of entry to starting a business. But an incredible team will take it to the top. Unfortunately, many business owners overlook a balanced team. They assume readers want to see potential profits, without worrying about how you'll get it done. If you're pitching a new software idea, it makes sense to have at least one developer or IT specialist on your team. Missing financial projections. Your numbers are the most interesting part for readers. Don't leave out your balance sheet, cash flow statements, P&L statements, and income statements. Include your break-even analysis and return on investment calculations to create a successful business plan. Spelling and grammar errors. Some businesses think hiring a professional editor is overkill. The reality is, all the best organizations have an editor review their documents. If someone spots typos while reading your business plan, how can they believe you'll run a successful company? And there you have it. A winning business plan that covers all the essential aspects of your business idea. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of my business plan template. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.